Hi, my name is Agnes and I love this yoga mat. I've been doing yoga for like 3 or 4 years now, and every time I bought my yoga mat I was disappointed because either the material felt so unnatural or it just stretched and slipped and I didn't feel comfortable doing yoga poses. Now with this one I do yoga because I want to feel closer to earth and to myself. For me, it's super important that the yoga mat represents these values, and this one, being made from natural ingredients, really does. And it doesn't slip. It's beautiful and I feel very stable and comfortable in it. So I can really go deeper into executing yoga poses in a proper way. I love it. So yeah, this is the best yoga mat I've had in my life.